In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ConvertKit account. We'll walk through the entire sign-up process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to start using ConvertKit for your email marketing and audience building. First, open your web browser and head over to the ConvertKit website. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Started for free. This is the option you'll use to create a new account without paying anything up front. Go ahead and click that button, and it will take you directly to the sign up page. On the sign up page, you'll see a simple form with a few fields to fill out. Start by typing your name into the name field. Use the name you want associated with your account and your emails, since this can appear in different parts of the platform later on. Next, enter your email address in the email field. Make sure this is an email you check regularly, because ConvertKit will use it for important notifications, and you'll likely need to verify it. It's a good idea to double check for any typos here, since an incorrect email can cause issues logging in or receiving confirmation messages. Then, create a secure password in the password field. Choose something strong and unique that you don't use on other sites. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually best. This helps keep your accounts safe, especially once you start building your audience and collecting subscribers. Below the password field, you'll see a checkbox indicating that you've read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to review those documents if you'd like, then check the box to confirm your agreement. Once all the fields are completed and the box is checked, click the Get Started button to move on. After that, ConvertKit will guide you through a short onboarding process with a few questions. These are designed to personalize your experience. You'll be asked whether you already use an email marketing tool. Choose the option that best reflects your current situation. You will also be asked how big your audience is, so select the range that matches your current subscriber or follower count. Next, you'll enter the name of your business, newsletter, or brand. This is usually what your subscribers will recognize you by, so type it in carefully. You'll then choose what kind of creator you are, such as a blogger, coach, or another type of creator. Finally, you'll answer what you hope to achieve with the platform, like growing your email list or selling products. Once you've answered all of these onboarding questions and submitted them, you'll be logged into your new ConvertKit account and you're ready to start exploring